Alam mo, pinasama mo si Yao Ming ah.
Sino na sir?
Kami sir, black.
Black? Ano po?
Black. Kami na Ponce.
Again?
Nakachamba uli.
Again?
Time remaining 5 minutes and 45 seconds. Rebound by Brian. Tabora. Penetrate. Rebound by Doc. Parks. Still by Parks. Dribble the ball by Parks. Pass to Yao Ming. Kaibigan. Pass to Parks. Jump shot. Rebound by Mangkanor. Rebound by Boss Ed. Dribble the ball by Boss Ed. Nice shot by Jabogs. Konti pa lang, 4 pa lang eh. Time remaining 4 minutes and 35 seconds. Boss Eds, dribble the ball. Dribble by Tabora. Tabora, penetrate. Boss Eds, jump shot. No good. Rebound by Jabogs. Jabogs. Dribble the ball by Jabogs.
Ako dyan ba sa ano?
Hindi ko kilala yung mga ano eh.
Dito ka.
Dito lang. Ito. May ano dito. Lloyd. Dribble the ball by Lloyd. Tabora, dribble the ball by Tabora. Pass Tabora. Layup. Nice shot by Tabora.
Parang pinapakita mo kung sino ka ha?
Pakita mo kung sino ka. Parks, jump shot. Nice shot by Mr. Parks. Time remaining 3 minutes and 7 seconds.
Jason.
Jason. Tabora.
Jerry.
Pass to Jason. Jason. Pass to Sir Ed. Jump shot by Boss Ed.
Oh.
3 points by Boss Ed. Hindi, gumagana pa rin. Jabogs. Pass to Lloyd. Lloyd penetrate. Nice shot by Lloyd. Kaloy. Kaloy. Jason.
Tira, bayaw!
Pass to Tabora. Penetrate. Rebound by Parks. Parks pass the ball sa kaibigan. Tumatakbo na mabilis. Rebound the ball by kaibigan to Jabogs. Nice shot by Jabogs.
Violence.
Time remaining 1 minute and 55 seconds. Doc. Penetrate. Nice shot by Doc. Score 4-7. Kaloy. Dribble the ball by Kaloy. To Jabogs. Hop! To Jason. Still by ball by Sir Jason. To Doc.
Asyan.
White ball. Score 4-7. Time remaining 1 minute and 15 seconds. Kaloy. Penetrate. Nice shot by Kaloy. Score 8-4 in favor of White team. Time remaining exact 1 minute. Jeric. Naghahanap ng mga pabasahan. Paras by kaibigan. Jeric penetrate. Pass to Boss Ed. Jump shot. Rebound by Jabog. Pass the ball. Jabogs. Jabogs to Kaloy. Steal by Boss Ed. Boss Ed, naghanap ng mapapasahan. To Tabora. Penetrate. Jabog!
Yun o.
Yun na!
Advance eh.
Yun na! Change court! Time remaining.
Sumobra sa advance niya, Bogs eh. Hindi makapal eh.
Okay. Game ball. Back to the ball game. Boss Ed. Nagkaroon mababasahan. Doc. Sir Jason. Tumira. Rebound by Parks. Jabog. Pinasa kay Kaloy. Walang pinuntahan. Malakas na. Tiyari kayo kay Yao Ming. Kaloy. Jump. Rebound by Jabog. Nice shot by Jabog. Score 9-4 in favor of White team.
Hindi na gagawin. Tignan muna.
Sir Jason, pinasa kay Sir Jeric.
Sabay sa'yo. Sila parang namamagkakasya. Bigyan natin yan.
Sir Jason. Jump shot. No, good. Kaloy, dribble of pass. Hindi na kayo ko, si Yao Ming. Tabora, magpakita ka. Pakita mo kung sino ka. Tabora. Rebound by Parks to Jabog. Nice shot by Jabog. Score 10-4. Time remaining 6 minutes and 10 seconds.
Sabi ko kanina sa kanya yan eh. Sabi ko kanina. Lock ka daw.
Sir Jeric. Pinasa kay Boss Eds. Nice shot. No good. Rebound by Jabog.
Alone.
To kaibigan. Nice pick. Jeric, nice shot. Boss Ed, nice pass by Jeric. Score 10-5. Kaloy. Dribble the ball by Kaloy. Pass to Jabog. To Parks. Jump shot. Rebound by Boss Ed.
Power rebound.
Power rebound by Boss Ed. Boss Ed naghanap ng mababasahan. Pinasa kay Sir Jason. Tabora. Jump shot. Nice shot by Tabora. Kaloy. Dribble the ball by Kaloy. Kaloy penetrate. No good. Rebound by Tabora. Tabora. Nagmamadali. Pinasa kay Boss Ed. Pinasa kay Doc. Nice shot by Doc. Score 10-7. Tatlo na lang ang kalamangan ng puti. Time remaining 4 minutes and 20 seconds. Kaibigan, dribble the ball by Kaibigan. Jump shot. Rebound by Boss Ed.
Point guard, point guard.
Boss Ed, naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Na-steal ni Kaibigan. Kaibigan. Sorry. Hindi, wala lang. Walang 7 yung team na yan eh. Tabora. Jump shot by Tabora. Rebound by Parks. Parks. Tingmamadali. Tumira. Rebound again by Boss Ed. Boss Ed. Dribble the ball by Boss Ed. Naghanap ng mapapasahan. Steal by Parks. Yes, steal by Parks. Nagmamadali. To Jabogs. Jabogs. Hesitate. Nice. Better at mo. Hindi gumana. Pinasa lang pala. Nice shot. Nice pass by Jabogs. Score 11-7. In favor of white team, 4 points. Time remaining 2 minutes and 47 seconds. Lock. Penetrate. Rebound by Jeric. Rebound by Tabora. To Jabog. Kaibigan. Kaibigan. Penetrate. Sumobra sa Pectos. Rebound again by Boss Ed. Nice shot by Tabora. Score 8-11. 2 minutes, exactly 2 minutes. Parks to Jabogs. Nice pass by Parks. Yes. Akala ko dadak ni Yao Ming eh. Score 12-8. Time remaining 1 minute and 33 seconds. Doc.
1 and 20.
1 and 20 seconds. Still by Jabog. Still also by Doc.
Okay, baba.
Doc. Nice pass by Yao Ming. No good. Time remaining 55 seconds. Boss Ed. Set.
Stop. 45 seconds.
Tres. Nice follow-up shot by Jeric. Kaibigan. Dribble the ball by Kaibigan.
30
Penetrate.
seconds.
Time remaining 30 seconds.
30
Score
seconds.
12-9 in favor of white team. Jabog. To Parks.
15 seconds.
15 seconds remaining. Doc. Dribble the ball by Doc. Nice shot by Doc.
5 seconds.
5 seconds remaining. 4, 3, 2, 1. Game ball.
Sir, game 3. Game 3.